The weather is becoming favorable for traveling. The amount of sunshine is increasing steadily throughout the day, a perfect chance for me to explore beautiful places around Berlin. It's springtime, and yes, the cherry trees are starting to benefit from warm temperatures as they transform into captivating giant trees filled with beautiful and colorful flowers. So if you're around Germany and are not sure where to go during early period of springtime, keep watching because in this video, we will discover some of the beautiful areas where cherry blossoms can be found. Every spring, a sea of pink or white cherry blossoms blooms in Berlin for a few days. In Japan, cherry blossoms, also called sakura, are a symbol of spring and represent peace and the fleeting nature of life. But why do they bloom in Berlin? After German reunification in 1990, the Japanese television station TV Asahi launched a major fundraising campaign to plant Japanese cherry trees as a symbol of joy. More than 9,000 trees were financed, many of which were planted in Berlin along the former border strip. The first trees were planted at the Glienicke Bridge, but today the sea of pink blossoms can be admired in many parts of the city. Here are some of the areas I visited to experience this springtime spectacle in Berlin. As I discover the places, I really admire the cherry blossoms and feel as if I am in Japan. There are really places to experience those fleeting but wonderful white and pink petals, from quiet little streets to wide open parks. Taking a trip to Dahlem is well worth it to see the beautiful cherry blossoms brighten up the streets around Freie Universität. Around April, this small university ground suddenly explodes into a lane of cherry blossoms, which feels quite magical as you walk beneath the white petals. You can also visit inside the botanic garden and see some of the blooming cherry trees. The Japanese and Chinese woods within the botanic garden bloom with plenty of sakuras, but you can find plenty of other flowers within the grounds as well. My next destination is the planetarium. I have encountered some beautiful photos from Facebook, and the place is not far from where I live. The vast greenery surrounding the planetarium has always been a sorely underrated park, but spring highlights is totally captivating. After you see stars light up the solar system inside, step out and watch the cherry trees bloom just as bright down here on Earth. Berlin is a very pleasant destination during springtime, especially if you wish to visit areas where cherry trees can be found. So pack your bags and prepare to discover these beautiful gifts of nature only here in Berlin. I hope that this video will help you appreciate Berlin even more. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!